Hello there. Welcome to Programming How To channel. In the part 1 of the series we saw how to show Bootstrap like loading pop-up while the application is performing long-running task. In this video we will see how to pass, send and receive data from pop-up, so let's begin. Let's mark this modal pop-up class as abstract. Let's initialize the content control. We want content control to work like a container to host derived classes child controls. Now let's modify the init function. Since we are initiating the content in the class itself, so we don't need to instantiate it in init function. Now let's compile the program. Now let's get rid of notification pop-up content. We will recreate it. Maybe let's call it loading indicator. Let's inherit it from modal popup. Since we are inheriting from abstract user control, so designer will fail to design our control. Unfortunately, there is only one workaround for this. We will use pre-processing directives. With this simple trick, a release build will throw a compiling error if user want to initiate modal popup class, while in debug mode every user control inheriting from modal popup will be perfectly editable. Maybe is not the cleaner solution, but it's the only way I found to make it work. If you know some better idea to resolve this, please let me know. So now our loading indicator inherited the controls from our modal popup abstract class. Now let's add some content. Now let's show this pop-up. Now let's create a pop-up which can receive input and return data. But before that we need to modify our base class and implement dialog results and show the pop-up as dialog. Now let's add a new control. Now let's show this input pop-up. Now let's modify the question before calling the pop-up. Now let's test both pop-ups. Start process will show pop-up for 3 seconds and then auto-close. So this is it. This ends our series how to implement Bootstrap-like modal pop-ups in C#. Thank you for watching. Please give your feedback in comments so that we can improve our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you can get notifications whenever I upload new video.